And Jesus said unto the centurion, Go thy way, and as thou hast believed, so be it done unto thee. Matthew 8:13. In releasing our word of affirmative prayer into the creative activity of mind, we do so with a glad and thankful heart. Giving thanks is a further indication that we have fully released our prayer. It means that we are sure of the completion of the creative process and that there are no lingering doubts. The person who is still unconvinced does not rejoice. He waits until he sees if it is going to work. But if one has prayed with conviction, believing and trusting in a creative principle in and behind all that exists, he will turn his back on that particular prayer of affirmation, give thanks for its certainty, and rejoice in its fulfillment, even though he has not yet seen it outwardly fulfilled. The only time to make use of this creative principle is now. The real secret to its practical application lies not in how much we know, but in the use of what we do know. The results, large or small, much or little, depend entirely on the degree of conscientious endeavor, enthusiasm and joy, conviction and faith that we can bring to bear on any particular situation. We have to become quiet and, in the solitude of our own thought, discover for ourselves what it is we actually believe, and then proceed to put that faith into creative action through patterns of thinking built around that faith.